Hello everyone. Today I am in central New South Wales, about 1 hour north of Dubbo. It's a Collie site. We have got here one field trial, and this is about management of wild oats or black oats. It's commonly used by growers. There are two different types of black oats or wild oats here. One is Avena ludoviciana and one is Avena fatua. Avena ludoviciana always shatters in pair. So there are two seeds together. So it's always shattered in pairs, and that's why problem is one germinate and you can easily control by herbicide, and then after some time after losing its dormancy, the second seed germinate. And then second is Avena fatua, and in Avena fatua both seeds they actually separate, and from the plant it shatters as single seed. So it's easy to control because both of them they have got similar kind of dormancy. Now in this reason we assume that it's Avena fatua because Avena ludoviciana is mostly in the northern region where I mostly work, but it's possible that we may have a mixture of both species here, Avena fatua and Avena ludoviciana. In this particular trial there are 4 different replications, and that's how on farmers fields we have got these one treatment from here up to 12 meter, and then second, third and fourth. These are 4 different replications. If we go from here, this is our one replication from that end to this end. You can see easily that flag or that drum. And then we have got second replication here. So in this one we are actually testing different we have got 20 different treatments, and out of that one there are, first of all, there are 2 factors of crop competition. As I always mention, crop competition is really an important component of integrated weed management and systems. So in this one we have actually 2 crop density, and you can easily see one crop really dense, another one is is not really that dense. If you see there, that second plot from here, easily you can see how fast they are closing its canopy. This particular crop, this one was planted at about 60 seeds per hectare versus we are comparing with 120 seeds per hectare. So that's a main factor. And then within that we have got 10 herbicide treatments in each, including untreated one in each seed rate. Again, because this black oats, these species they have evolved resistance to most post-emergence herbicides like clodinafop. In wheat we are mostly using, or some people use pinoxidine. So in this case we will be using clodinafop, but also we are trying that what are those see, this is all black oats. So we are testing different pre-emergence herbicides, for example Overwatch, trifluralin, Avadex, also Scura, which is pyroxasulfone, Matino Complete, which has also one component, also Boxer Gold. So these different herbicides we are testing there, and also we will have maybe 2 clodinafop rates. Also these herbicides will be followed by clodinafop in case there are some survivals. Those survivals can be get rid using post-emergence herbicides. Now black oats, initially it's hard to identify, but the easiest one, and which I always suggest to my students, that leaves of wheat, they are actually twist clockwise, but in black oats they twist anti-clockwise. So if you want to really, with my experience I can easily find where are black oats, but if someone is not really sure, they can test black oats using this clockwise or anti-clockwise measure. Also in this trial we have got some ryegrass, which is not really so ryegrass is really big problem here. If I try to show you, so that's ryegrass, so it's shiny leaves, that's ryegrass. Again, this one is ryegrass, and if compare with that one, if we see black oats, see this one is emerging, so that's black oat plant. Okay, also this one, see this one is really big one, so that's black oat or wild oat. So there are lots, looks like it may be untreated one here. See, these are all oats emerging now. So today I took this data, but we will be spraying this trial maybe next week with this clodinafop as post emergence and before this crop close its canopy. Okay. Yeah, this is Collie, and now going to the next site, which is Kunembal. I have got the same trial there, which is about I think 100 kilometer or 150 kilometer from here. We'll check with that one. Thank you.